Good. I'm seeing people write 18 red cubes. Very good. 18 red cubes. How do I know that it's 18? What do I notice about this picture that might help me solve other pictures? What are you thinking, Kylie? What are you thinking?
Because the first row's 10 and the other row's 8.
Yes, this first row is 10. So if I go to this yellow picture and I see 2 full rows, that must mean that I have 2 rows of 10 and I could skip count by 10 instead of counting each cube. So I would know it would be 20 and 4, which would be 24, right? Because I know this whole first row is 10 plus another 10.
You just told us.
I know, I told you. Plus this other 4, 24. All right, I'm going to try to give you a tricky one. What about number 5 in this purple ones? How much is the purple?
This one is going to be easy.
Oh, well, we'll see. Maybe I'll try to trick you eventually. How many are in this purple number 5? How many cubes are there?
28.
Write it down on your board, please. Well, I'm seeing some boards. I'm seeing some people type it in the chat, which is good. Yes, 28. I'm seeing some people write 28. Some people are writing some other numbers, so maybe we need to talk about this one. I'm hearing some people still counting, which is okay. Remember, so I'm seeing the number 28 a lot, which is correct. One whole row is 10, so you can count by tens. 10, 20, and then you could count the last row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and your total would be 20 plus your 8. Good. I'm going to go to the next page, which has a lot more. Maybe it'll stump you. How many red cubes are in this picture? Looking at number 9, red cubes. There's a lot more rows.
33. 43.
Don't say it out loud and give it away. Make sure you're writing it down and showing. Aaron, double check.
I need to find me a marker real quick, but I can't find one real quick in my stuff is or organized. I can't find anything to write with.
Okay, then you can type your answers in the chat if you want.
I don't know how to send chat things. I know about the speaker, but I don't have it.
Okay. Well, maybe you can try to find a piece of paper and a pencil.
If you had the chat, when you're done pressing stuff, so that enter on the chat.
All right. If you can find a paper and pencil, that will work too. I'm seeing a lot of 43, which is very good. Because I have 4 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rows of 10 with 3. So my 4 rows of 10 would be 40. Plus my 3 is 43. All right, I need to find one to stump you guys. I need to find one to stump you. What about this brown? That looks like a big one.
It's gonna be easy like the last one.
Ugh.
1, 2, 3.
So Zoe's answer. Right. Kylie's answer and Abe's and Isabel's, Aaron and Mia's and Kyron's.
So this is 4 lines, right? 40 and then just count the rest. You see mine? 47.
Yep, I do. And I'm seeing a lot of 47s. I have another 4 rows of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cubes on this bottom row. So 40 and then 7. All right, maybe these ones finally trip. What about this red? How many red
This might be easier.
do I have?
Where is
Slowly
enter?
bigger.
Enter. Where's enter? Is it the one in front with 2 enter? No, listen.
No, the one that has an E on the side.
This one who says E-R-E.
No, E-N.
It's E-N.
Yes.
I don't see.
On your keyboard. What thing that you type with?
Okay, it's E-N.
95.
What? I send it. I don't see it anymore. I just pressed the E-N and it sent.
No, I already said E-N. It should show E-N. It should on your keyboard. It
I'm
should
seeing
say
some
S.
people in the chat that are typing a number, and then some of you are holding up a number. And
It's 95. 95.
I hear you now, Owen, but make sure you're either writing it down or typing it, okay?
Oh, see it. Okay, that's 10, 1, 2, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 80, 90, 94. That'll be 94.
Good. So I'm seeing a lot of people with either 94 or 95. So let's double count. We have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So we are right with the 90. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 95. Make sure sometimes you have to double count these small ones because we get tricky. So let's see if I can find another. How many are in this orange picture? How many do you see in this orange picture? Good job, Kyron. Good job, Artie and Maya and Ben and Willow, Malayla, and Kylie and Owen and Zoe. I'm seeing a lot of 82s, which is perfect. I have 8 groups of 10 plus the 2. All right, I think we have one more set of practice problems that we can do.
This is way too easy.
What about these ones? When I look at number 22, how much are here? I notice that there's a break, which I haven't seen yet.
Can you blow it up?
This is as big as I can get it right now. How many cubes do I have? Nice job, Owen.
I forgot to look close after 109.
We're gonna go over it. I'm seeing 118, I'm seeing 119, I'm seeing 109. I'm seeing a bunch of different answers right now. All right, I see 10 groups of 10 up here. How much is 10 groups of 10? Who can raise their hand and tell me how much 10 groups of 10 are? Ben?
100.
100. So this block right here is 100 plus a whole row, which we already know is 10. So I'm at 110. And then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 100 plus 10 is 110 plus 8 is 118. So my total would be 118. Whenever you see this block, you know that that is 100. Owen, did you have something you wanted to add? Oh, sorry, I muted you on accident.
1 is class over.
12 o'clock. So in about an hour, okay? All right.
Okay, I'm admit it. This is the hardest one yet.
And Finn is back with us. So we're going to try maybe one or
I lost all my internet.
Oh, I'm glad that you got it back. How much would be in picture number 20? I'm seeing 109, 108. So you might want to double check to see what that bottom number is. Just to double check to make sure you have it correct. We're all agreeing that this is 100, but how much is this? It's a little bit tricky. You got to be careful. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, so we have 100 plus the 8 is 108. Some of you might be rushing, so you want to make sure that you're going slow. We'll do one more, and this will be our last one. How many are in orange? Isabel, double check your numbers. Kyron, that looks really good. Artie, you might want to double check yours too, sweetie. All right, I see a 100s block. So I know I have 100 plus 10 is 110. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what's 100 plus 10 plus 5? You can just shout it out.
115.
115.
100.
115.
Oh my. Yes, you are right. 115. Good job. So, for our next part of math, before I have you take your little quiz, I'm going to show you a number, and I want you to draw 10 sticks and ones to show me this number. So you're going to have to use your board or a piece of paper. I don't want you to use the chat because you can't draw 10 sticks in the chat, okay? So when I show you this number, I want you to draw it with 10 sticks and ones. Ready? Get set. Whoa. One.
Is it ones like this or is it like that?
This is a 10 stick, a straight line, and then a 1 could be like a little dot if you want to use it like that. Okay?
Tally marks and dots.
I want 10. That looks good, Zoe. Oh, you did. That's fine. Looking good. Good job, Finn and Willow and Zoe and Sophia and Maya and Ben. I can kind of see Isabel's. Isabel's, yours is a little bit far. Mia, yours, double check your 10 sticks. So this is really what I should be seeing. I have 5 10 sticks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, with 6 ones. 5 and then a 1. Some of you did tally marks, which is okay, but usually 10 sticks are all just straight. Okay? So when I say 10 sticks, try to do it more with just straight lines and not tally marks. Okay? I'm going to show you like 1 or 2 more numbers. Let's try 72 with 10 sticks and ones. Noah, I hope you're paying attention and not talking to your brothers or your cousins. So right now you are drawing 72 with 10 sticks and ones. Zoe, try not to do tally marks. Try just to do 10 sticks, okay? Good job, Kyron.
Wait, me?
Yeah, I saw your board. It looked good. Nice job, Aaron.
Well, thank you.
Much better, Zoe. Good job. Looking good. Thank you for showing me your pictures. Good job, Jenny and Finn. And Kylie, looking good.
Can you help me? Can you tell me more about this?
So we're drawing 72 with 10, 6, and 1s, just like we did with 56. Good job, Ben. Artie, I think I can see yours. Okay, I did 7, 10 sticks. I have 5 at the top, 2 at the bottom, and then 2 ones. Most of you are doing a really nice job.
I can't hear you.
So it's looking very
I
good.
don't care about that.
We're going to do one more, and then we'll move on to our, I want you to try to do 93, okay? Try doing 93. Owen, do you have a whiteboard or a piece of paper or something?
Yeah,
Yeah, can you go,
I have a whiteboard at my house here.
do you think you can use it?
Huh?
Did you go get it?
Yeah.
Okay, can you try to draw 93 for me? Because I haven't seen any of your other ones. Nice work. Looks good, Mia. So 90, that's it drawn, but try to do the 10 sticks and the ones.
Miss Clardy, I have a question. My screen is glitching. I can't really hear you.
I see that it's glitching. Can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you now.
Okay. We'll just try to hold on to it as long as we can. So for 93, I saw some people, which is a great way to organize it, put 5 on the top and 4 on the bottom for 9, for 90, and then 3.
Huh? Huh?
So for 93, you do 9 10s and 3 1s. So really today, all we really did was really continued our work, breaking up 10s, 1s, and especially going over 100. Sometimes that can be tricky. Tomorrow, we're going to work with comparing numbers and using our greater than, less than, and equal sign. You might forget about that from last year, but it's
Are you putting us in the breakout rooms?
in a few minutes, yes.
Okay.
So today I want to go over what your work is